Crunchy, rich and full of flavor, this homemade chocolate granola is so easy to make, smells incredible, and tastes like dessert, only healthier. Let's get started. To a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of rolled oats for that wholesome crunchy base, 3/4 cups of peanuts for natural richness, half a cup of macadamia nuts for buttery texture and healthy fats, half a cup of sunflower seeds for a light nutty flavor, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder for warmth and depth, and 1 teaspoon of salt to balance all the sweetness and bring the chocolate flavors to life. Mix until everything is well combined. In another bowl, add half a cup of dark chocolate compound to give our granola that rich, deep chocolate taste, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter for richness, and 1 tablespoon of raw honey to naturally sweeten and help it crisp up as it bakes. Melt this mixture gently over a water bath. It should be smooth and glossy with no lumps, just pure chocolate goodness. Once melted, add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for aroma and flavor, then mix until well combined. Now pour the oats mixture over the melted chocolate and mix it in until every piece is beautifully coated. You'll need to work fairly quickly here. If the chocolate cools down and starts to set, it will become really hard to mix. Spread the mixture evenly on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, pressing it down slightly so it's toasted evenly on the oven. Roast in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Take it out and add a 1/3 cup of desiccated coconut for extra flavor, a light chew, and a toasty aroma. Mix it in well to make sure the coconut is evenly spread and it toasts evenly. Return it to the oven and toast for another 10 minutes until the granola is dry, crisp, and fragrant. Once it's out of the oven and still warm, add in some chocolate chips. They will soften just enough from the heat, giving you those perfect little bits of creamy chocolates in every bite. This chocolate granola is perfect over yogurt, smoothie bowls, or just as a quick snack straight from the jar. Let it cool completely to lock in the flavor, then store it in an airtight container. For more delicious granola recipes, check out my granola playlist. There's something for everyone. See you there.